check out this LEGO Minecraft Bee Cottage. Inside the box, you'll find 2 big bags containing 254 LEGO pieces and a set of instructions. Bag number 1 has lots of fun pieces and even 2 Minecraft characters. Then we also have 2 mini bags containing some special extras like this awesome little sword here. As for bag number 2, it's filled with an assortment of yellow and brown pieces that seem to hint at the creation of a buzzing little bee. And of course, it's accompanied by 2 more mini bags filled with a lot of interesting pieces inside, like these little flames right here. Now take a look at how everything comes together to create a really cool LEGO Minecraft Bee Cottage. It's definitely one of the best sets we've made so far. We've got a ton of cute little bees, including these spinning ones, an awesome tree with a hanging honeycomb, flowers, Minecraft characters, and of course the Bee Cottage that has a removable roof and all kinds of fun little things to play with inside. My 8-year-old really enjoyed putting it together. It wasn't too difficult, but it definitely kept him busy for a few hours. Oh, and it also makes the perfect gift too. So whether you're into Minecraft or not, this LEGO set is definitely worth checking out.